Today I am unboxing, doing a distance test, and installing the GoveeLife Water Leak Detector 2. This is the gateway along with 4 different leak detectors. Let's see what's in the box. We've seen that before. And the user manual. Here's the hub. That is quite a bit smaller than the other one. I gotta say, I'm looking forward to the comparison video on this because it's very similar to version 1. There, it's a little bit taller. Looks like it's the same distance height-wise. But focusing back, we've got the sensor on the front, sensors on the back, and similar action. Lights up on the front, and this one is live. The sensor is, with the foot there, is 1 1/8 of an inch by, I would say 3, and let's go with 3/8 by just under 2 inches, 1 13/16. It's pretty straightforward. There are 4 sensors in the box. And that is it. One of the main reasons to go from the V1 to trying out the V2 is that the range on this sensor, this is supposed to reach up to 1/4 mile. Let's try it out, but not here because these are so loud. I'm not going up and down the street setting alarms off. I like my neighbors. So let's go. We are live. Okay, so we need to hotspot this thing. I already have the Govee app, but if this is your first time, you'll have to download it in order to get the notifications if a leak occurs. It's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is go through a few splash screens, sign the legalese, and then it's time to add your device. Email notifications are enabled by default, so don't enter any spam email address because you'll want these notifications. You'll want to click on your account, that's on the bottom right, and then you'll want to click Settings on the top right. Under Notification Settings, you'll see Allow Email Notifications, and then you can also add additional emails to receive those notifications. As a returning user, all I have to do is open up the app and add a new device. Unfortunately, the user manual or installation instructions are safe at home since I just unboxed them. So I'm gonna look up water sensors and see what comes up. And there we go, Water Leak Detector 2. Nope, it looks like I need to install the gateway first. And that is H5043. In human understandable words, that's the Wi-Fi Smart Gateway 2. If you don't have Bluetooth enabled, you need to enable that. Now we can find our gateway and get it paired. And then it also looks like you have to have location enabled as well. This is a slightly more complicated process than the first gen, but just follow the prompts and you'll do fine. That was it. Gotta turn on location. Done. It looks like we need to do something additionally to set this up, but all I'm going to do is press confirm. The sensors that it's talking about in this notification, the ones that are with the set, those are all paired with the gateway already. That's the mistake I made with the first set of sensors from Govee, is that I didn't realize that they were already paired and I was trying to pair them, but they were already paired. So you are good to go as soon as the gateway is live. It also looks like there's a couple upgrades for the 2nd gen version here. We can identify each device through the app, as well as get additional battery information. All right, so we're gonna move this across the field
So we will start tracking the distance. And you can see how far I'm going to walk before I have to take a turn. All right. So there's our hub. And we will see how far across this goes. Probably about at least a block away. And there we go. All right. We shall move on. Gotta make sure you're not hot spotting. Otherwise, that will block your test. The notifications won't come across. At least it didn't with my Galaxy S10 Plus. So, moving on. Get closer to the quarter mile. It is a beautiful January day out here in Arizona. Sending warm thoughts to those of you that are in the Arctic North right now. Now this is where it's going to get a bit more exciting because there's going to be more interference, definitely more in the way between me and the hub. I am at some random spot that is further than a quarter mile at this point. All right. I should clear this out first. Oh, no. That did not come up. I might have gone. Well, you got to try, right? Try to go further. Nope. All right, let's see how far we have to go back. No, evidently my pocket is wet. Not sure which one that was. All right, going back.
Actually, it was just under a quarter mile. I walked further than that, but as the crow flies, not so much. I was just shy by about 130 feet.
It looks like there's a wall and other things that I passed along the way too. Let's see. I'll try it right here. Not sure if that already tested itself because I'm doing a terrible job drying these off. My pocket's wet. I'm not seeing a notice come across. We'll try the second one. Nope. You can see the hub is going to be on the other side of those cars, the hangar. Let's go with the line of sight. You can almost see where the hub is. All right. Okay. That one didn't work. Maybe this one. All right, moving on.
In the sensor's defense, obviously at an airport, there's got to be a lot of interference. Now, would a neighborhood have just as much with all of our devices? It still could just be that there's just so much interference in a business environment. But this is where I knew of an outlet and a place where I would not be setting off all the dogs or annoying the neighbors.
Further, But you can see that's the barrels over there that they worked at last. Oh, something's coming in. Dang. All right, there was a little lag on that one, but it looks like both of them came in. It just took a little bit. Interesting. All right, well, looking at the hub way the heck over there in the distance, and we were testing it right over there 30 seconds ago, that truly isn't too bad.
Now all I have to do is get the gateway onto my home network and rename all of the devices so that they indicate where I'm putting them. And now we're in business for some long-term testing.
That was fun. Now it's time to put these little sensors to work. Coming up, I will be testing these out, just live with them for a little while to see how they do, a little longer term, before creating a features video that you will want to check out right here. After that, I will be comparing version 1 with version 2. And that video will be right here. Additional links are in the description so you can read other reviews before then. See you there.